I'll give the floor to Heath for a minute.
So basically the reason I chose to come here to start with, I looked up obviously hair loss for years, and obviously as Nick said, with minoxidil and other things, the side effects. A lot of people's reviews about the effects that they've had on those, and you know, to grow hair back, I know that it doesn't take overnight and it's not going to happen in a month. And if I'm going to stay on a program for a couple of years to get some results, then I need to do it what's healthiest for myself. So yeah, read up on for the herbal side of things, and been here for nearly 3 months. Yeah, very surprised because with the other bigger places, the Ashley Martins and stuff like that, you don't see results for probably 6 to 8, which is expected with most things. I was using minoxidil for about a year. Did start seeing results after about 6 months, but got off it after reading the reviews. I myself didn't have any of the side effects. Probably wasn't on it long enough, but yeah, coming here after 2 months and just seeing, and also getting comments from people at work and other places, that family and friends that don't know I'm doing it, just to say that, it looks like your hair's thickened up a bit, which was the crown area where I'm thinning the most, and up the front. So yeah, it's good, and myself, my hair feels thicker and fresher, and yeah, just excited to see how the next few months go, really. Yep.
Fantastic, thanks.
So how often did you come to the clinic anyway?
I'm doing the in-house, so I come twice a week. And that's the other good thing, that because I work full time Monday to Friday, the guys are really flexible with after work and on weekends as well. So I just ring up maybe the day before and say, can I get 6:30 or a 5:30? And yeah, just got the in-house program, which is based morning and night, 5 minutes, and the tablets that they've got, the herbal tablets. I was a bit sceptical as well, because they said they were going to give you more energy and stuff, and I found they actually did. They made me feel a lot. I was sleeping better because I was sleeping terrible, and yeah, it just made me feel more active, which was good. So just take 2 of those in the morning until night as well. So
no side effects, nothing.
Nothing whatsoever. Still very early days, but obviously I think just with the herbal, and obviously did research before coming here as well, couldn't find anything, and the internet can't hide anything, so if someone's got bad, they're gonna put it up there. So far so good. Yeah.